Now, corporations, as they globalize, are increasing in data, and data is exponentially increasing year over year. And so the information we used to store on floppy disks and we stored on hard drives is now being stored in the cloud in large data centers that cost billions of dollars by Microsoft and Amazon and Google. And this data is being called big data. It's required to be kept for business requirement purposes, for government regulation purposes. Litigation holds are being placed on it when there's litigation pending to make sure that nothing is lost that's essential to the case. So the clients have this data, they get it collected and give it to their attorneys. And then the question is, how does a law firm gather up terabytes and millions of documents and somehow call that down to the couple hundred that are actually critical to the case? And how do they do that while reducing costs and maintaining quality? And as the data increases in size, this becomes increasingly difficult. Once the data is actually through that process, it's reviewed, you've got your critical ones, you're going to trial, what do you do with it? You got to show it to the jury. And how are you going to present that to the jury effectively in a way that they are going to pay attention, understand it, and understand the strategy of your case? You don't want the jury to be staring at the clock on the wall in the courtroom, tapping their feet and waiting for that next break. You want them to be involved in what you're showing them and what you're explaining to them and getting your critical information across.